Are you aware of the recent cyber attack on CDK Global? Let's dive into the details. CDK Global, a prominent car dealership software company, fell victim to a cyber attack. Following the incident, CDK Global made plans to restore services to all dealers by Thursday. The company's software, which is cloud-based, is utilized by over 15,000 auto dealerships across North America. This software manages a wide range of activities, including vehicle acquisitions, sales, financing, insuring, repairs, and maintenance. The restoration process commenced more than a week after the cyber attack on June 19th, which led to a reported ransom demand and forced the company to shut down its systems. The company spokesperson, Lisa Finney, stated that they are continuing their phased approach to the restoration process and are rapidly bringing dealers live on the dealer management system. She further added that the customer service channels have been restored for those experiencing issues. Many sources reported that the Black Suit cybercriminal team was behind the cyber attack on CDK Global. Black Suit is a relatively new cybercriminal team that was formed from an older Russia-linked hacking group known as Royal Locker. According to security firm Recorded Future, this group has breached at least 95 organizations across the globe. Cybercriminals have been increasingly targeting car dealerships. A 2023 CDK report revealed that 17% of 175 surveyed dealers experienced a cyber attack or incident within the past year, up from 15% the year prior. Nearly half of those dealers stated that the cyber attack had a negative financial or operational impact. Car dealerships are considered an attractive target due to the vast amount of sensitive customer data they hold, such as credit applications and financial information. Additionally, dealership systems are often interconnected to external interfaces and portals, which can make them more vulnerable. The outage at CDK Global had a significant impact on dealership operations, leading to a predicted 5% drop in new car sales in June compared to the same month in 2023. Dealerships had to revert to pen and paper, making processes like repair orders or car deals more cumbersome. In summary, the recent cyber attack on CDK Global led to a temporary shutdown of their services, affecting numerous dealerships. However, restoration efforts are underway, with all dealer connections expected to be live by late Wednesday, July 3rd or early morning Thursday, July 4th. Cybersecurity remains a pressing issue for dealerships and is an area that requires further attention and improvement. As of now, CDK Global's services are being restored, and the company is taking steps to prevent such incidents in the future.